Hey everybody, if you've always wanted to make money from blogging but don't like the idea of writing articles every single day, I've actually found a backdoor hack that allows you to earn a ton of revenue in the blogging niche without having to start your own blog or build a WordPress site or even know anything about SEO. I'm going to reveal exactly what it is in a second, but it uses a method called affiliate marketing, where you can get paid promoting someone else's product or service. But before we get into that, if making money online and the content I'm talking about excites you, then hit the like button and subscribe because I'm uploading content like this very regularly on this channel. So back to affiliate marketing. It's a business model where you don't have to create your own product, software, or even service. All you have to do is find offers you love, promote them, and collect a commission every single time someone signs up or makes a purchase. Here are some of the other benefits of affiliate marketing. You get to promote products or services that you love. Take a moment to look for products and services you're already subscribed to. Chances are they have a referral or affiliate program that allows you to generate money from. It's a simple business model. You act as a connection between people and then a product or service. When someone buys this product or service through your affiliate link, you get a commission. That means no customer service or order fulfillment, just cash. You get to make this world a better place. I know that sounds like an overstatement, but it's true. As long as you are promoting quality products and services that people actually need, you're helping people live a better life, making the world better. Now, here are a few more things to love about affiliate marketing. You don't need to carry an inventory. This reduces the upfront investment and start your business and the headaches that come with shipping orders all day, every day. You also have low overhead. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. Then you're going to get ready to scale. Each aspect of the affiliate marketing business model is easy to automate and outsource. This means you can increase revenue and spend more time doing what you love without needing to hire a huge army of employees. Now, in today's training, I'm going to expose how we can use affiliate marketing to make money in the blogging niche without creating a blog of your own. See, if you want to start a blog, one of the first things you need is to buy a web hosting. A web host allows you to host your blog on your own private channel without having to use sites like Tumblr or Medium to show off your content. And there's a service called Bluehost that provides awesome web hosting that's super affordable. Now, here's what Bluehost does in a nutshell. Web hosting. They offer domain names and hosting services for companies of all sizes to start a website. Bluehost is really popular. Over 1,000 new websites are added through them each month. Even this is a conservative number. But what I really love about Bluehost is that they have an affiliate program that allows you to make money when someone signs up using your link. And if you're wondering if this strategy really works, do me a favor and after this video, Google Bluehost earnings report. You're going to see a bunch of websites, blogs, and creators that are making a killing just promoting this service. Later in today's training, I'm going to show you how to build a funnel that promotes Bluehost so you can make money from the blogging niche without having to create a blog of your own. Now, this is how most people promote Bluehost. Most people start by purchasing web hosting and building a blog or other form of a website. And then they spend hours creating content for that site, writing product reviews and top 10 lists. And then they have banners on the side of their site promoting Bluehost as a web hosting service. That requires a lot of content creation, purchasing web hosting, designing a website, and also hope. We don't want to build a business by hoping people will buy. Needless to say, this isn't how we're going to approach promoting Bluehost. Here's how we're going to approach promoting Bluehost. We're going to have you become an affiliate for Bluehost. Just Google Bluehost affiliate program and sign up. Promote your affiliate link is next. This process is very simple and can honestly be set up in just a day. Now, if you need any convincing that this method will work, you don't need a website, no content writing, no complexity. We just take our affiliate marketing efforts to the next level by building a sales funnel that enables us to capture email addresses, furthering our ability to build relationships and generate revenue. The first step in creating this type of business is to create a lead magnet. A lead magnet is a free gift related to your end offer that visitors can get by giving you their email address. In this blogging example, you can create a 2 to 3 page PDF document that has 10 tips for people looking to start a blog. If you Do not want to create this yourself, you could go to a site like Fiverr and have a freelancer create it for you. Next, we'll build an opt-in page that captures their email address. I recommend ClickFunnels as the best service for creating powerful landing pages, and they offer a 14-day free trial. See the link in my description for more info on that. Also, using a service like ClickFunnels, you can build a thank you page that provides a download button for the free PDF guide you created, then redirects the visitor to your affiliate link for Bluehost. After the visitor has come to your sales page, they'll either purchase web hosting or they'll leave and continue their day. The majority of people won't purchase, which is why we collected their email address to follow up. So not everyone will buy their first time around. This isn't a huge deal if we collect their email address. We now have the opportunity to continue the conversion and add value, also selling our affiliate offer and other relevant offers. Now, here's a quick overview of the tools that you'll need. You'll need to build a sales funnel and an affiliate marketing business. Links to each are in the description of this video. With ClickFunnels, they're the best funnel builder. They have lots of free training to help you get started. GetResponse. GetResponse is an easy-to-use email marketing tool. And also Fiverr. This gives you an opportunity to create the ebooks or lead magnets for your particular funnel. And in addition to creating a sales funnel, we can take our affiliate marketing business to the next level by creating an ecosystem of products and services that our audience can purchase. What is an ecosystem? Essentially, it's offering more than just one product, finding complementary services and products to stack on top of each other. Some examples of other offers that complement Bluehost could be Fiverr. They're a great affiliate program. You can pretty much promote their blog site and get paid up to $1,000 from one sale. You can also promote blog themes. Promoting a site such as themeforest.com can be beneficial for those looking for a professional blog. Amazon. Bloggers need gear, from keyboards to mouses to laptops. You can recommend your favorite tech and get a commission when bloggers purchase through you. Now, if you're just getting started at all this, it probably seems overwhelming. You may be asking, how in the world do I put all this together? There's too many moving parts, too many things to create and do, and I'm with you, it was overwhelming for me. What helped me the most was investing myself in purchasing training programs. The best one that I found was Partner with Anthony, offered by Anthony Morrison. In his PWA program, he offers done-for-you funnels and email follow-ups, as well as walkthrough videos to help you set up your affiliate marketing business. Plus, he helps you tap into the affiliate as what is used to make him millions. All you need to do is follow up and bring traffic. So the best part is it's a super affordable program. It's just $7 a month. If you stayed this long and have even a small desire to learn more, click on the link in my description to view a free training video. It'll explain more about creating an affiliate marketing business and how you can get started today. Thanks for viewing today's training, and I'll see you next time.